Hello everyone and welcome to Gastronauts Kitchen. We are excited to share an array of recipes we've picked up from across the globe. Having spent over a decade living and traveling on our catamaran, we've journeyed through various regions and amassed a treasure trove of culinary gems. If you are a fan of diverse and innovative cooking, you are in a perfect spot. Today we will be making Lobio, a super healthy salad made of beans and walnuts, packed with delicious flavors. We begin by chopping onion. Lobio we are preparing today is going to be served cold. There's also a version of lobio that is served hot. Now we are using canned beans. We have rinsed them and now we can use them for this dish. We're taking roasted walnuts and mincing them. Add them to the beans and mince the garlic, sending it to the same bowl with the beans. We will also need to chop up some greens, large portion of cilantro mixed with parsley and a few leaves of mint. That makes the salad taste a lot more refreshing. Here, like in all Georgian cuisine, the garlic and herbs are the real stars. Add it to the bowl. Now, let's sauté onions. Lobio is a traditional dish that comes from the beautiful ancient land of Sakartvelo, also known as Georgia. At this stage, the onions are becoming translucent. Now that the onions are caramelized, we can introduce more ingredients. Add tomato sauce, cook for about a minute, add some red wine vinegar to slightly raise the acidity, now add hmeli suneli, dried dill and adjika. Mix it all well. Hmeli suneli is a traditional Georgian spice blend. You can refer to a description for details. Add sugar. Adjika is a type of pepper paste that is made in Georgia. Now that the sauce is ready, let it cool a little. Add this fragrant sauce into a bowl with beans. Lobio also goes very well with kebabs. We will release our new video of kebabs soon. Don't forget to subscribe to see our new recipes. Add some salt, mix from the bottom up. As you can see, Lobio is a gorgeous, colorful dish, but the looks alone do not do it justice. The aroma is absolutely intoxicating. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video and see you again!